Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to validate emails using ListClean API token key. First, get the API token key. Visit the official website of listclean.xyz. Open the first link as shown. Here you need to sign up or sign in your account. Once sign in, you can check out your credits in top of the page. You can also buy more credits. Now click on API keys. Let's create an API token. Enter any token name. Click Create Token button. After key created successfully, copy the API token. Now move back to the tool and paste the copied token in displayed input field, and click Validate key. After validate successfully, you can send emails. How to send emails using SendGrid API key. To do this, first visit the official SendGrid website and sign into your SendGrid account here. Once signed in, scroll down the sidebar, click on Settings. Navigate to the API Keys section. Now, let's create a new API key. Enter a key name like email sending. Give it full access, then click on the Create and View button. Once done, copy the displayed API key and store it in a secure place. That's it. After the key is created successfully, go back to the tool and paste the copied API key into the given input field. Enter your email, type any subject. Write your email message. You can also select CC or BCC email addresses if needed. Once done, click on the Validate and Send button. Your email will be sent successfully. Thank you for watching.